Hello everyone, James Harrington from Polito Harrington, here with this week's installment of the Connecticut Bicycle Accident Attorney blog. We're going to continue our conversation about bicycle helmet safety and some of the tips surrounding what to be looking for when you go to purchase a bike helmet, either for yourself or particularly for a child. In a prior installment, we talked about the importance that the helmet meet safety standards like ASTM or the Snell Family Foundation. In other words, making sure that the helmet has been properly tested so you know that it can withstand the sort of impact it's designed to withstand. That's really important, so I encourage you to go back and look at that blog. But this week we're going to talk about where to actually purchase a helmet, because nowadays you have a lot of options. And people ask me, can I purchase a helmet online or can I purchase a helmet secondhand? Particularly with places like Facebook Marketplace, a lot of parents are oftentimes looking for good deals on children's items. They know that oftentimes children's items are used for a short period of time, and so you can get a good deal on the item once the child outgrows it. Parent puts it on Facebook Marketplace, and now you can go get a steal. You want to be very cautious about doing that when it comes to bicycle helmets, though. And the reason for that is that when a bicycle helmet has gone through a trauma or some sort of collision or impact, it's possible that the structural integrity of the helmet has been disrupted. In fact, that's why we tell both children and adults, if you've ever been in an accident and your bicycle helmet has sustained a trauma, you should get rid of the helmet and just buy a new one, because you may not be able to tell from the outside of the helmet that it's gone through that trauma, and therefore you just can't be assured that the helmet is still safe for use. Same thing goes when you're purchasing one secondhand. The person selling it to you may not realize that they're doing something that's potentially dangerous, and they may think the helmet is fine because outwardly it appears that way. But if it's gone through a trauma, that may not be the case, and you cannot be assured that that hasn't happened when you're making a secondhand purchase. The only way you can really be assured of that is when you buy new. And so the second question then becomes, well, if I'm going to buy a new helmet, can't I just buy it online? The problem with buying an online helmet is that you're not going to be able to get it fitted properly. And as we'll talk about actually in next week's blog, the fit of a helmet is critically important. You can have a top-of-the-line helmet that is number one in its class and meets all the safety standards, but if you don't have it properly fitted, it's not going to help you in an accident. So it's best to get your helmet fitted at a bicycle shop with someone who actually understands how to properly fit a bicycle helmet. And we'll talk more about that in next week's installment. Thanks.